Please, mama, me I beg you do. Married me now.
Why the Rasi are going so in a Miglai road? You know, say Catty no want you. You're good now, my friend. You can go and know him now. You want help with nothing else?
No, but thank you, my love.
Hold on there. When the blood clot you do, you know say she madly in love with me. The two of we are gonna get married.
Me tell us I'm a love blood clot there, boy. Me just see up on the side of the road and say hi, you choose to come torment my soul.
Ow, ow, that, stop, wait, Mama, no go ahead, please.
You know, say Catty no want you, bro.
Why you always a block me traffic, brother? You want to knock it to door? Why you look at me so far? Stop it!
Bro, you no need for your galang, so. I just look a joke me did a run youth. You're going like a desperate hombre.
What kind of rash joke that? What back road girl ever take your money and not run no poems?
Yo, brother, you good?